What's up, everybody? We back at give another video. And so you know the last video with the whole salad stuff, right? With the whole 5 delicious meal. So I was like, dang, what would be a good follow-up for, like, you know, saying after this whole home-style salad. And so, you know, I was thinking, I was like, you know what? You know what would be some good would go with it? Some pasta. But I was like, you know what? You know what would be even better and make it really fit the whole mood of the whole 5 delicious meals? A non-very meaty meatball and spaghetti. I know that sounded very weird. Very weird. But it's gonna call it veggie meatball and pasta. Alright? Sound cool? Alright, so let's get into it, y'all. Let's get right into it. For order to make this meal, we're gonna need some tomato paste, some spaghetti noodles, some broccoli, carrots, black beans, mushroom, onions, jalapenos, Italian herbs, and tomato crushed up and stuff. So before we get right into it, I just want to let y'all know, like, your boy never made this before, so this is gonna be the first time like ever trying it, so bear with me. So let's get to it, yo. Alright, welcome back. And so, like, for the first step, you just need to like wash your mushrooms and like dry them off. Then once you gotta dry them off, you probably just cut them up in like little tiny pieces and stuff like that. So basically, you're looking for like kind of like really like mint size like this. So, alright, I gotta be honest with y'all. I do not like mushrooms, bro. I cannot stand mushrooms for like the soul of me. I hate mushrooms. Like, if I was Mario, I would step on every single mushroom I could find, bro. But I'm about to try this thing right here. So, what I think the best way to like cook this is just basically like saute your mushrooms, basically like kind of want them to soften up. So what I got right now, I got a little pan of butter, and I'm gonna toss these mushrooms in here, and then basically what you're gonna be looking for, you're gonna want them to look like very kind of like mush, basically. So basically when you add this, you're just gonna add some salt to it, basically kind of like flush everything out. So yeah, so like once it get all like brown and mushy, that's when basically we're going to the next step. So once we get to the next step, so we're gonna get to it, y'all. Alright, so while we're waiting for our mushrooms to get all brown and like mushy, we're going to go and start making our sauce. So alright, like I said, I cannot stand mushrooms, bro. I don't like mushrooms, bro. That thing nasty, bro. So, since I cannot stand mushrooms, I gotta make sure my sauce is top tier fire. So, I'm gonna make this homemade marinara sauce, but I'm not gonna lie, y'all think kind of cheap. So, to make this fire like marinara sauce, you're gonna need some wine, but like I said, I'm too cheap. I didn't feel like paying for no wine. So, basically, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take half your onions. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna let them basically caramelize up a little bit, and once they caramelize up, you're going to want to add some parsley. Then once you add some parsley, you're going to add some oil to it and let that like caramelize a little bit more. Then you're going to add our tomatoes to it. Then, you know what I'm saying? So let's go and get everything done and start we get into it. Let's get it. So like we just got done with the mushrooms. This is how it's looking, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying, we're gonna try, you know what I'm saying, hopefully it'll turn out right. So right now I got black beans. So what I'm about to do now, I'm gonna just blend up this black beans, make it all mushy and stuff. So right now I'm just gonna put it in the pulser. Gonna add some little bit of oil to it. Make it blend up flour a little bit better. So, get it all nice and mushy. I'm not gonna lie, probably better if you have a food processor. So, we'll figure something out. All right, let's get it. All right, you know what I'm saying? Kind of fix it a little bit, kind of, not really. So basically, it looked like a big old plop of poop. I'm not gonna be completely honest, like I said, mix it up. So, I'll let you like kind of like put in the processor. I guess you just toss in the oven, kind of like get it like all nice and toasty, get all the liquid out best way we can. So probably just gonna do that for a couple minutes, like so. So once we get done with that, I'll show you we're gonna start working on marinara. So once we get done pouring our tomatoes in and whatnot, that's when we start adding it to the blender, and that's it. So then after that, we're gonna work on our noodles, then start assembling everything up. So let's get it. Alright y'all, welcome back and stuff like that. So, you know what I'm saying? It just got out of the oven, still kind of like, you know what I'm saying, weird. So right now, I'm gonna try to see if I can bring it to life, you know what I'm saying? So right now we got the mushroom mix in here. So what I'm about to do is I'm gonna add 1 egg to it right now. I'm gonna add this egg to it, kind of get everything right into it. I'm gonna stir it up in here. And so kind of like bind everything together. Like that. Now I'm gonna add the beans and the broccoli and the corn mixture into it. This looks so weird, I know. Alright, then mix that into it. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda do like ground beef a little bit. Alright, now I'm gonna add another egg to it. Like so. And add some breadcrumbs. I'll help bind it together. Like so. Then I'm gonna go ahead and mix it up. Like so. And if it's not really sticking together, I guess I could just add some more breadcrumbs to it, which I'm going to, a little bit. But now this is when I'm gonna start adding stuff to, like what you normally have for meatballs. This is going to be some Italian herbs, like that. Breadcrumbs, lower and moisture part skin cheese. Basically, what I guess I'm looking for is trying to like dry it out the best way I possibly can. So might need to add more breadcrumbs. Alright, so I guess now it's pretty much formed up and stuff like that. So now I'm basically just gonna see this toss it on the stove top and try to get everything done. So let's get it. Back in everybody like that. So we just got done making the whole like everything like that. So now it's trying to try it out. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking kind of right, low key, looking kind of right. So that's, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna try this bad boy. Let's try the noodles. I'm not gonna lie, the noodles A1 though. The noodles A1, but we're not here for noodles. We're here for this meatless meat. But I'm not. Look at that, yo. I done do like ground beef though a little bit. You see it? Just gonna try it. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, let me eat it by itself. Hold up. Hold up. Come on, dude. Yo, that thing good, boy. That thing good, yo. Alright, everybody give a round of applause. Get a round of applause. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. That thing good, yo, you know what I'm saying? So the first time making it inspire you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and check that thing out, go and make it yourself, you feel me? So you know the best thing to do, you feel me? Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff for you checking the next video. So see you in this video, y'all. Let's get it. It's Funny Friday, bro.
What's them shoes, though?
You know, so I got my Stompers 11s. So if you need some like fruit stomped on, I got you. You know what I'm saying? You know, you in church and shit, nigga. You know, Lord. You know what I'm saying?
Ugly.
Like,
this nigga said, "Praise the Lord."
What it do, guys? It's your boy Daryl Quinton. I'm behind the camera, and you guys didn't know that my real name is Marty, the cameraman. I'm back. Another angle right here. Hope we put this in the vid. And all I want to say, I'm gonna wait till he comes, okay? I'm gonna wait till he comes back. He said he's gonna get something for the lens or something like that. We're gonna see what he's gonna do. I'll be waiting right here. I'll be waiting over here. Cross my legs.
Indecisive, it's so hard to keep my pen writing. Red-sighted, I'm shot, my mind been fighting. I can't type it, it's vandalized, the tears wiping. Let me light it, I keep it blunt and remain quiet. I've been thinking about this music, thinking is it really worth it? I'm hard to satisfy, you never seen behind the curtains. Always looking for eyes, but I'm too shy, so what's the purpose? Used to be scared to die, they was using spells and curses. I really need to breathe, it's cloudy, I can't.